Marley. He's a gorgeous 7-year-old crossbreed who came to us from the local pound. He's a big cuddly puddin who loves lots of attention. Marley is desperately unhappy in kennels and often sits quietly on the outside waiting for his special somebody to come along. He needs an enclosed garden to play in and a big comfy sofa to chill out on. He's very affectionate and will keep you warm on a night when he's cuddled up beside you. Marley is house trained and is perfect to walk. All he needs is a second chance.